You can go and settle down, okay? One by one. You don't have to stand here. So as we all know that today we are celebrating, yes, Free State Day celebration, and this year our state is celebrating Golden Jubilee. That is how many years? 50 years. So it's a long journey and we are really proud to be in our state second. So on this auspicious day, our students from class 1 to class 8, okay, all of the students from different classes, they have participated and they are going to perform our state's patriotic song. So with a huge round of applause, let's welcome our beautiful children with their glamorous traditional attires. So once again with a huge round of applause.
Topic is State Day Sikkim. Sikkim State Day is celebrated on 16th May every year in the formation of Sikkim. Sikkim State Day is a celebration of democracy, unity and identity. Sikkim is the second smallest state in India. Sikkim is the hilly northeastern state in India. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Sikkim has 6 districts, namely Gangtok, Mangal, Namchi, Pakhon, Soreng and Gejing. The main languages of Sikkim are Nepali, Bugla and Lepcha. Tista River is the longest river of Sikkim. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Aryan, for your wonderful speech. Now, I would like to call Kanishka for a speech.
All my dear friends, today I am Kanishka and I am from class 4 standing in front of you to deliver Sikkim State Day speech. Sikkim has a diverse and rich heritage domestically in its old monastery, culture and traditions. The state is home to some beautiful monasteries painted in golden and red color, and present in them is the opulent history of Sikkim. The rich culture of Sikkim compares one to trace its culture heritage that has been passed from one generation to another and is quite pleasant and interesting to experience. Most of all, Sikkim greatly boasts rich natural heritage. It is land of Himalaya, alpine lakes and meadows, waterfalls and collections that justify when we call it a nature lover paradise. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Kanishka, for your wonderful speech. Now, I would like to call Shivam Goyal for adding few points on achievements of
It became the first fully organic state in India in 2016, implementing 100% organic policy. Tourism, a leading destination for ecotourism, adventure, sports, and Buddhist pilgrim. Green energy, hydropower, and clean energy have made Sikkim a model for sustainability.
Students, I can understand it is very hard to bear in this weather. We are residing in such a place where summer is terrible, right? And humidity is there. Still we are here listening speeches and enjoying that song. It is performed by our students. So today we are celebrating pre-state State Day in our school. I guess for the first time we are celebrating in such a huge way. So students, tomorrow is 16th May and 16th May is historic day for the Sikkim because on this day in the year 1975 Sikkim became a part of India, that is 22nd state of our nation, right? So little bit history I would like to share with you all. Historically Sikkim was a secular, sovereign and monarchy state. It is situated in Himalayas, eastern. That is the combination of two words. Shu means new, Kim means house. And students, coming Saturday we have our singing competition, and next for 2 more Saturdays consecutively we have quiz competition in our school. So you have to listen this speech very carefully. Some questions we may ask from the Sikkim. So please listen it very carefully. So Sikkim derived its name from the Supa words, that is Shu means new, Kim means house or palace. Okay? And Tibetan also give their name Sikkim, that is the Denjong, and the meaning is the valley of rice.
The Valley of Rice.
And Bhutias also give name to the Sikkim, that is Demajon. Demajon means the hidden valley of the rice. So students, in the year 16th century, 1642, our Sikkim was ruled by Lekcha, Suba and Namaga. In different villages of Sikkim, especially northern and eastern side, it was ruled by the Lekchas, and southern and western side it is ruled by Shuba and Maga. So in the 17th century, Tibetan migrants they came to Sikkim called Bhutias, okay, and they started living here, and till the time Sikkimese people did not have any religion. They were the worshipper of the nature. Still, one day holiday we have in our Sikkim almanac, that is Tendong Lorong Fat.
Kendong Lorong
Tendong Lorong Fat. Sikkim observed one day for the worship of the nature, especially one hills of the Himalayas in the Sikkim. Tibetan Bhutias, okay, we call it Chogyal, in the year 1642. And the first capital of Sikkim was the Yakshon. First capital of Sikkim, it is Yakshon. Now it is in the western part of the Sikkim. And the second situated in the western part of the Sikkim. Right now you can see the ruins of the Rabden Sea that carries the history of the Sikkim, and it is one of the important archaeological site and one of the tourist destination site of our state. And the third capital of Sikkim is the Gangtok. Sikkim is the home of some important lakes that are located in a high altitude. So one of the important lake is Gurudongmar. So it is one of the tourist destination, and it is famous for the wishing lake. And another one is Sikkim has got the tallest Buddha statue, sitting statue. It is situated in Rabongla and the measuring height about 130 feet. It shows the peace and the spirituality of Sikkim. And the third one is Sikkim is one of the first states which declared as open defecation free state. It means in Sikkim wherever you though you cannot find or you are not allowed to do. That king was Woodstock Nandel and the last king was Palden Thinduk Nandel. And students, Sikkim is celebrating 50 years of statehood. So on behalf of Hansraj Academy, I would like to pray for the continued success and prosperity of Sikkim and its people.
अब फाइनली हामी चाहिँ रुम फर्किँदै गरेको है म्याम आफ्टर स्कुल यस्तो लगाएर चाहिँ हिँड्नु पर्दैछ अबाउट टु रेन हो